everyone, I'm doing a quick unboxing today. Not really quick because I'm really excited. I'm in my daughter's room because my husband's currently getting ready. We're headed out to dinner for our anniversary, and so are my boys in our room making a mess. So the first one is I got, I don't know if you guys can tell, my very first pair of Manolo Blahniks, and this is my pre-pregnancy size because you know my feet are really swollen right now being that it's summer and it's hot. Came with 2 dust bags right here, and they're so cute, you guys. I did try Manolos on before I got pregnant, before my feet got really big, so I kind of knew my size. This was purchased pre-owned, but it is brand new. Here they are. It's in this very beautiful satin flush color. It's like a pinky, and I got it in a size 37, which is my normal size, and these are in the 90 millimeter. I couldn't do any higher than that. It's either 90 or 75. But yeah, they're so beautiful. I will definitely start wearing these when I'm not pregnant anymore. So that's my first item. My next item is in this big box on the floor. You guys, this is so big. Ugh, so heavy. Okay. This I purchased from a Neiman Marcus FA. Hi. Close the door. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Why is this so heavy? Oh no. I can never keep that picture clean. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, we're gonna do this together. Ta-da! So pretty. Okay. Here is the dust bag, and I did ask for an extra cleaning cloth, so he gave me 2 of these. Oh, let me put these away. If you guys watched my previous unboxing, you would have seen that I purchased this in the mini size, but I feel like I love this size so much better. Look at this color. Let me see. It's definitely more lilac than this. It matches more my nails, but I don't know why this lighting is washing it out. So pretty. Here's the tag if you guys need it. Comes with the crossbody and the interior. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.